Over time, the Taualuga has become a symbol of status that can be worn by the chief's Manaiga or Taualuga. A Hiatonga is a special finely woven mat that is an important item of cultural value in Samoa. They are commonly referred to in English as fine mats, although they are never used as mats, as they only have a purely cultural value. Hiatonga are valued by the quality of the weave and the softness of shine of the material. They are made by women and form an important part of their role, identity, and skill in their community. Today, Savusa-IOANE are still given as traditional gifts, worn as a ceremonial garment in special cultural gatherings and used as a burial shrub. However, Savusa-IOANE has gained use in non-traditional way also.
Yeah, ole Tausala wala manaya alevai ngomeka. That's the traditional word for tonight. Pig may sa chong paspachi ya wala Tausala wala manaya alevai nga alevomeka. Once again, ya ona sasa alole Tausala wala manaya alevomeka uatala ina le siva alevomeka ile hafe fitu selautala. Hafe fitu selautala. Once again, ha mole fa manoa tato stage ya si tanga-tanga imay from sino ya sa manaya mali Tausala.